Where to now? The Cupboards of the Kithgard A. Okay.
For the win! CodeCombat.
Alright, so it looks like we need to break open the cupboard under 7 statements. So it looks like we're gonna need to move before we attack, which is fine. And we're coming from here, so we're gonna have to go down, left, up, and then hit the cupboard. And I'm assuming there's like something in there, so let's see. Okay, so first move to the cupboard, we're going to move down 1. We're going to move left twice, and then move up twice. Yeah, that's 2. And then we're gonna attack the cupboard because it takes a long time apparently to beat up a cupboard. So let's go. So we're going down, we're going left twice, up twice, boom, 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 boom. What happened? Yeah. And we're done. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 statements. It looks like the only way you would have more than 7 statements is if you wrote move left twice and move up twice. So that's that one.